Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna see how to create and manage file versions in OpenBOM design projects. So you have uploaded your first project and we're gonna start making some changes on our local files in your CAD system. So notice that the default settings are on, so versions are being created automatically. So you as admin, if you go into settings, you see that file versions are created automatically on each smart sync. So every time you have changes locally and you sync, then we're gonna create new versions automatically. That's the default setting. So let's see that working. Let's make some changes in our CAD files, and those changes will be uploaded once you sync again. So let's make a change. We're going to save it, and we're going to upload that change to OpenBOM Design Pro. So we have the shortcut to open the Workspace Manager from CAD systems like SolidWorks. So you can click on Smart Sync button, and a new version will be created. So it'll take a couple of seconds. The files are being uploaded. Okay, so that has finished. So if we go into our project, and you can see that that file already have a new version 2. So this was created automatically. And you can go into versions and open this into a separate tab to see those file versions changes. Okay, each version, it's you can download it separately, and you can manage changes. But the thumbnail will also update on each version. So there we go, very simple way to manage versions. If you want to manage those manually, so notice that you can unselect that option. So create file versions automatically, you can select that option. And once you do that, you can control them by using the right mouse button on each document. So you can go and create a new version manually. So you can, in this case, just being overriding the latest change. You can just override changes and keep doing any sort of syncs. You are overriding over. You keep syncing, and the file is not going to create new versions. So you are just updating OpenBOM Cloud Storage with all those changes. So notice that if we refresh, the file version is still 2. You can continue to make changes. For example, let's make another change here, and let's save that. Right now, we can create the version manually. So we're going to sync it again once more. So let's sync that last change, and then manually you are creating the version. So you can create that version manually. So you have that sort of control when you want to create versions. That's it. A very simple way to manage and create file versions. Thank you. See you on another video.